Hello everyone, in this video I am going to answer a most asked question from my comment section about the IBIS Paint X app. Is it possible to make shape from random stroke you make, or make your shapes perfect without using tools? So I will explain that now. So here I'm keeping that stabilizer 0 and keeping it as real time. This is the default setting of the IBIS Paint X app. So if you try to make a circle, nothing happens. And here you can see in high paint, if you try to make a circle from random circle stroke, it can happen and make a perfect circle, and even it makes a perfect square, rectangle, whatever you shape, you create a shape. But in IBIS Paint X, it will not do anything even you keep this stabilizer on, because stabilizer doesn't work, doesn't give any effect on your strokes. You can see without stabilizer, and if I keep that at 10 and if I make a line, nothing happens again, because I never seen any effect on that by keeping that at 10. So if you change that method to after, little bit changes in the way the stroke looks. You can see it became a little bit straighter, but not much smoother or a straight line or something like that happens by using this after. You cannot make a circle using this. You can only use the tools, otherwise you cannot. And if any of you ask what the force fade is for, it's for fading out the initial and final start and stop of the stroke. So it works little bit for dip brushes, you can see, without force fade. And if I switch on the force fade, little bit changes in the way the stroke looks. You can see the stroke looks different when I use the force fade. It's like gradually thinning out. So yeah, but using this as well, you cannot create a perfect circle from like this. So the conclusion is you can never make a perfect circle or any other shape in IBIS Paint X without the tools. It cannot recognize the shape. So yeah, I hope this is so clear for you and the doubts are clear. And if so, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Also check all my IBIS Paint X videos. Tell me in the comments what are the doubts you have. Thank you for watching. Bye.